guys, welcome back. It's Dark Side here again with another video. I'm playing Monkey Space and this is how long I got. I'll probably cut the video
they can find us.
I'm waiting until that point. But I want to show you what this place has to offer.
Alright, everyone,
it's a really good game. You should download it. Mod Vents is when you get the trusted user time. It's a bit trippy, I'd say this game is. Sorry if you can't hear me, everyone's screaming. I still want to say that first. There's a glitch going on right now. It's where you go inside here.
Okay, we ready, guys?
You drop down and you try and land on one of the trees, then you get out of the map into the actual moderator's place.
Oh my god, it's so much speed!
You can't fall down to your death.
I don't got no speed.
I don't think. I'm new to this. I'm new to this, so I don't know.
Chasing us.
It's really hard to get. But that's all this place has to offer. I'm gonna probably cut to the time when my thing's done.
J-Man, I'm sorry. I'm gonna die. Nobody can die.
Well, I'm not gonna do. Oh, I didn't know this map was doing
J-Man, I'm
that.
gonna die.
You get like a hyper speed. See my Lucio, I'm not really good at it. Nah, I messed up so bad. It's a bit glitchy. Yeah, I suck at it. Okay. Oh my god, I can't even double warn it. Alright, let me try it. Oh my god. It like presses you against the wall for some reason. Oh my god. Hyperworld, that's what it's called that. Wait, what the hell? Okay, it's a bit glitchy when you try to go back, like it turns you around. Just start walking back and... Oh yeah, there's loads of free cosmetics here. This is the how long you have to wait for the moderator's vents. You can also buy a camera.
Hey, Protogen!
It's pretty good. I really want the camera.
Come here.
How much? Every 5 seconds you get 1 banana. Alright. So I'm probably gonna cut to where I'm trusted user.
I need your help so bad, bro.
So
I need your help really bad.
see you later.
Right here.
Meanwhile.
Hi guys, it's Darkside and he's about to get the last cosmetic in the game.
Good luck.
Yes, I got all the cosmetics. Let's go to the shop.
Everyone, head to second level.
Thank you, Red.
I'm trusted user.
Alright, I'm almost trusted user as well.
Oh no, I'm cornered.
I'll keep you updated on that. Let me just get out and get caught.
Everyone, head to second level.
Dude, this is impossible.
Get down, you dummy.
Come here. Okay, wait. Then I go to shop. Oh, this.
JK, bro.
Oh, this move time went really buggy. Like, look at this. Ready?
Everyone, head to second level.
Watch this. Ready? See? Trusted user time. And how many bananas?
Good for second level. Who needs
2,000.
Who needs knife? Who needs knife? 1,200. I do.
And also,
wait, where are you? If you need knife, go to second level
hidden cosmetic now. Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of hard because
the last one I couldn't find it until like a day. Yes, this one. Help.
Harry Potter, you stupid little turds.
Got the chicken.
Okay, I made it. Where are you?
With the
I'm coming.
Okay, also I got the knife. Wait, can it go on? Oh, it can go on the other hand. I got the monkey that goes on your back. Golden monkey. I got the normal monkey that goes on your back. I got popcorn.
Everyone, go to second level if you need help. I'm running from this
I got the pea mug, where pea goes inside.
Oh, too bad.
I got the tree house from Gertag.
Fight me! Fight me! Fight me! Fight me!
I got the frog. He doesn't do anything.
You have the frog?
Watch this, guys, watch this. Guys, look at the frog in my hand.
No!
Run. No.
I died. Guys,
Uh,
I'm coming back to level 2.
wait, what? Did you just pick me up?
I'm coming back.
Wait, I can go in your hand.
Dude, that came from...
Wait, let me put my head here. Lift me up. He's lifting me up. Oh my god. Okay. That's gonna be it for now. I'll wait this whole time for you, so keep you updated.
Hey, Red, follow me. Red, follow me.
So guys, this is a quick update on when I get trusted user. And also I got a camera
I
now.
have 653 bananas.
So I might be starting to
First
do
one to find
3 videos with this. but
purple
I
ice
could
cube
just go-
monkey. He
that.
wins 2 million.
I just changed my
Bananas.
cosmetics. I'm the banana.
Where
it's
are
pretty
you?
cool. I brought it.
Yeah,
It's
fuck.
2,500, bro.
What map?
I'll show you where you buy it.
Let's see what map.
Yeah.
It's not really a map.
Where you buy it is there.
Oh, I know where you are. You're
What's
up
up?
here.
Alright, so this was the update, so see you later.
There's nothing. It's just a black room.
I got trusted user. When that time is done, go
How do
down
you get
these
off the
ends.
map?
So when the map
No, look,
go back
look.
up.
You get
When
all
the
this for
map will
Can you
free.
go
teach me
back
how to
up.
get off the map?
Nah, that's just annoying everything.
The person
You
who
get to
teaches
get double
people
of
how to
these.
get off the map. Can you teach me how to?
Yeah, go to next
There's
box.
no,
Go to
that's a
next box.
katana.
Go to next box.
There's also a band hammer.
Yeah.
Get off the map.
Then there's like a little crack that you can get inside.
Are you the guy that's teaching how to get out the map?
No, I'm down here
Hey,
next
are
to
you
the hole.
trusted user?
I'm next to the hole. Look, I'm next to
Talk.
Bonk.
Talk.
So,
Are you the guy?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Are the most
Bro,
my
there's
favorite.
like a million Easter eggs on my desk
Okay,
right
so-
now.
So this.
Okay, so that's what the normally it
this
is.
is how you do it.
Wait,
So
let's
you
go
It
to
wasn't
power
that
mode.
crazy, but
Let's go
at
to
least I
power
waited
mode.
the time and you got to know what that is.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
yeah.
coming up